This dictation material has been obtained from newspaper para 41. He said he had merely forwarded the plan to the senior member board of revenue, full stop. The deputy commissioner of Malir further stated that all the layout plans were routed through him and the schemes of the layout plans, whether private or otherwise, were signed by him after verifying their titles, full stop. The court directed him to place before it all the schemes were public or private with their layout plans which he had forwarded or verified since the day he assumed the office of Deputy Commissioner of Malir before the next date of hearing, full stop. When asked by the court that how the Malir Development Authority had acquired the title of the land, Malir Development Authority Council said the land was owned by the provincial government and there was no notification by the Board of Revenue allowing the Malir Development Authority to utilize the land, full stop. He, however, relied upon sections 8 and 14 of the Malir Development Authority Act 1993, which was amended in 2013 for acquiring power of allotment, full stop. The court disagreed with the Malir Development Authority Council's contention and observed that the Board of Revenue had the authority to allot land with the approval of the competent authority, full stop. Taking notice of complaints of traders and industrialists about halting of registration work of public properties due to a rift between sub-registrar and a clerk, Deputy Commissioner has sought urgent report from additional Deputy Commissioner Revenue and Sub-Registrar of Jung Tehsil, full stop. Earlier members of Jung Chambers and Traders bodies have demanded that the Punjab Chief Secretary, Board of Revenue, Senior Member, Faisalabad Commissioner and the Jung Deputy Commissioner take notice of a tug of war between the Sub-Registrar and his clerk that has halted disposal of property deed registration files urgently required by different banks and other departments, full stop. Businessmen told a press conference, full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Jumeir Shorten and Computer College Shahadra.